Welcome to this video, guys. In this video we will see how we can install PostgreSQL and run it using PgAdmin 4. So let's get started. First, type download PostgreSQL for Windows, and in this one you can see the first result here, that is from postgresql.org. Click on this one and you can see a bunch of options: version 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on. You need to click on this first link here that says download the installer. Now come to this section that shows Windows x86 64 and click on this first one, and it will now start downloading. So it is starting downloading. Once it has downloaded successfully, double click on the file to open the file, or click on open file according to your browser. Now this wizard will open up, this installation wizard. Now just click on next, and this is where your Postgre 15 will be installed. You can change the directory, but I will keep it to the default one. Click on next again, and we will need all these four things. So click on next, and this is where the data of your Postgre will be stored. Click on next again, and remember this password. This password will be used to open up your Postgre database. So write a password that you will remember. Make sure you don't forget this password. Click next again, and this is the default port in which PostgreSQL listens, so no need to change this. You can just leave it as it is, and also leave this to default. Click next again, and finally these are the following data that will be used for installation, and click next again. Click next again, and your installation will start. As you can see now, PostgreSQL is installed. Now you will see this option, stack builder, may be used to download and install. You do not need it to run PostgreSQL, so just uncheck this and click on finish. So now we have successfully installed PostgreSQL. Now let's open it using PgAdmin. Now click on your Windows button, type PgAdmin, and as you can see here, you will see this option. This is installed because we had checked this while we were installing PostgreSQL. Click on this. PgAdmin will start up. Okay, now PgAdmin is opened. If you click on this, you will see it will ask for password. Now enter the password that you had entered when you were creating or when you were installing PostgreSQL. Click on OK, and as you can see now, we can connect to Postgre 15, and we have no databases right now, as it is empty, and this is default one provided by Postgres. So you can just right click and create database, and we will see this in another tutorial. If you have any problem with installation of PostgreSQL or PgAdmin, let me know in the comments below.